How long is the line that runs from -2, 5 to 4, 7? The distance formula gives us a way to find how far apart 2 points are when there is no easy way to measure. When we use information from the coordinate plane to answer questions about a figure, we call that coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry gives us a concrete way to determine the exact size and shape of a figure. It also gives us a way to generate and manipulate shapes in a three-dimensional space. If we know the coordinates of the 2 endpoints of a line, we can use them to figure out how far apart those points are using the distance formula. We assign one point as x1, y1, and the other as x2, y2. We then plug them into the distance formula and solve. When you're plugging in the points, it's important to remember to keep coordinates in the same location in their given subtraction problem. I know what you're thinking. How in the world are you ever going to remember that complicated formula? It's almost easier to think about it as trying to find the change in x squared plus the change in y squared, and then taking the square root of that. This is actually the coordinate geometry application of a skill you'll learn later on, the Pythagorean theorem. Back to the original problem, we have a line whose endpoints are -2, 5 and 4, 7. How long is the line? The line is approximately 6 3/10 units long. The distance formula is the square root of the change in x squared plus the change in y squared.